Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. Today I'm going to show you around arguably what has got to be Land Rover's best-selling product in many years. The infamous and classic Land Rover Defender X Dynamic. Now this is the SE model. It's a 3-litre automatic vehicle. It's the Defender 90, so it's the what we'd class as the short wheelbase version. But what a fantastic car. Now this particular one is, as I say, the 3-door 90. Wonderful. It's the X Dynamic and it's finished in Santorini Black. Now it's got some fantastic options, £5,600 of options to be exactly. So let's start with the outside. It's got the exterior black package, so that basically is all the script in black, the checker plate style on the bonnet in black, no silver. This one then has the £500 factory option of the 20-inch 5094 style alloys. Now they come standard on the 20-inch wheels anyway, however this one's got the option. Now it's got the classic mud flaps front and rear, and it's also got the side steps. When we come round the rear, you see here the must-have option of an electrical deployable tow bar and also hard rear wheel cover. Now you can operate the electric deployable tow bar on the sat nav screen, or we do have a little button inside here which then basically deploys it in and out. So you get a little audible beeping and then the magic happens and the tow bar falls away. Just like that. Press it again and it'll pop itself back out. That is a 1,350 quid option. Very nice indeed. Privacy glass, we've got the Alpine roof windows like on the old style, panoramic opening sunroof as standard feature, 360 surround cameras, riding on Michelin tyres. Wonderful example. Just nearly a year old. We've only got 9,200 miles on the car. Now when I open the car on the inside, we have got the luxury tailored mats. We've then got pretty much a standard interior, full black leather, Meridian sound, electric heated memory seats, as I say, an opening panoramic roof. Lovely cabin. If you've not been in one of these new Defenders, they are just sumptuous, and they're up there now with a Range Rover in the quality, in everything. It's not an agricultural vehicle now, it is just a pure luxury vehicle, as you can see, so many on the road now. The combination of Land Rover, Defender, it's just fantastic, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. So got the balance of manufacturer's warranty available today to drive away. If you'd like this vehicle, give me a call. We'll take a reservation deposit. We'll get it ready so you only need to come to our showroom once, and at which point then you can drive away in the same day. So we've got the 2 keys, we've got the book pack, we've got everything that was supplied new to the first keeper is available as when you arrive. So if you've got a part exchange, give me a call, we'll give you a price. If you need finance, we can arrange all of that. So as I say, you only need to come and visit us once. But as for now, give us a call. I'm Graham. Dom's on the camera, Lee's in the showroom. We'll be happy to help you in any way, any questions. But as for now, thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.